Welcome to Horizon 91. Today you are going to see how to install WordPress on Hostgator and set up the essential settings after installation. Earlier you seen how to connect a GoDaddy domain with the Hostgator. This is a continuation of that tutorial. Let's see how to install WordPress blogging software on Hostgator account. First, log into your Hostgator cPanel account. Then, under the Softaculous apps installer, you can find the WordPress and click on it. Here you can see the feature and select the custom install, the custom install form. Choose the protocol as HTTP and select the domain name and leave the directory as blank. Remove the WP from here and drag down, and in the site settings you have to enter the site name as the learn WP guide like as your domain, and site description. These both things are very important, which will shown in your search engine title tag in search engine results. So we keep it as a nice site name and the description, and then the admin account. This is the login details. You have to set the username and password, and write it down in your notepad for remembering for the next what the login for login using the login to your WordPress dashboard. And in the advanced options you can set the database. You have to try different names, and if you have multiple domains it's difficult to find the database of your particular domain, means particular installation. So you have to give a non means easily identifiable name to the database. It's very important. And next thing, let's leave everything else like that, and also enter the email ID to send the installation details like password, username, and the account. Here the installation proceeds, and yeah, within 2-3 seconds the installation is complete, and you can check the blog by clicking on the its domain name. It will look like defaultly like this. Wait for loading the site. My internet speed sucks sometimes. Yeah, here is the default WordPress guide. You have to change the theme, install plugins, and all that. Everything will be seen in the next tutorials. Now next move is set up the essential WordPress settings after installation. It is important to set up the every settings of the WordPress for making it search engine friendly and user friendly. Okay, let's see it how to do it. First you have to log into your WordPress dashboard by using your domain /wp admin. Then enter your username and the password in the required field and click on the login button. Here you can see the dashboard with the all new modern features and all. Just dismiss it, and here you have to do a certain settings to make it fast for your blog is search engine friendly. Go to the screen options and untick the WordPress events and users and the at a glance. No, it's okay, just remove the event to free up the space. Okay, now go to the all posters and delete the hello world default post. Just click on trash to delete, and it will go to the trash button. It will not permanently delete it, and delete the sample page, and keep the privacy policy like that, and also comments. If you are deleting the posters, the associated comments will also deleted. Then again back to the dashboard. Now you have to go to the default plugin manager and delete the Hello Dolly plugin by clicking on delete button. Yeah, it's an essential thing. You can hide the description using the screen options from the plugin manager page like that in the video. Okay, later we will set up the anti-spam plugin. Okay, now you can go to the settings, can go to the first, set up the general settings, edit the site title according to your wish. You can include your keyword. Here I'm going to write it, the learn WordPress guide as my site title. Okay, then now you have to enter the tagline. Here I am giving the step-by-step WordPress tutorial for beginners. Now leave the WordPress address and site address like that, and email address. Can edit the time zone as your depends upon your city, near city, and set the date format and the time format which will shown on your blog, and also the week starts on the installation day. Select the installation day and click on save it. It's important, every setting you change you should click on save changes. Now go to the writing settings. Here the default category is uncategorized. Now update these ping services. Here is the list, just copy it all and the paste it on the update services box. Just paste and click on the save changes to update the ping list. Yeah, it's setting saved. Now move to the reading settings and select the articles that shows a summary and click save changes. Then move to the discussions and tick on the each option seen on the video. Set up like that in the video. It should be good for your blog, and it protects the anti spamming comments. So set up like that in the video. After setting up, also you can set up the avatars. It's you can select the mystery man. It should be good for the other, and also the rating, G rating, provide G rating for your WordPress blog, and save changes and move to the next settings, the media. Here it's important to make every settings as 0 pixels, width and height are 0 0 0, and make it 0. It will help you to prevent generating different sizes of images for the same image, and it will affect on your site loading speed. So click save changes like that in your video. And the permalinks, it is important. You can have to select the post name. It's a search engine friendly, that is SEO friendly permalink. After your domain, your post name will see. Important setting. Next is privacy setting. You have to select the privacy policy page as default and save. It is important for the GDPR, the European Union means privacy policy page. Later we will see it, and these are the essential settings you have to set up with the WordPress. And next we will see how to install a new theme and additional plugins like anti-spamming plugin, SEO plugins like that. See it on the upcoming tutorials.